A prominent automotive safety advocacy group is renewing its call for Ford to recall 1.3 million Explorer SUVs from simulation times 2011 through 2017 amid rising grievances that dangerous carbon monoxide gas is divulging into the compartments and inducing headaches, nausea, puke and other ailments. The Washington D.C. based Center for Auto Safety says grievances to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration about the Explorer have risen 900% since the federal agency firstly began investigating the matter in July 2016. NHTSA has now received at least 1,381 complaints concerning Explorer motorists and passengers about exposure to carbon monoxide, an odorless gas whose symptoms mimic those of the flu and is responsible for more than 400 deaths per year in the United States. The group's executive director, Levine, wrote a letter to Ford CEO Jim Hackett in which he noted the issue has not resulted in any extinctions but concluded, "The time for Ford to take most serious action is now, before that luck runs out." NHTSA opened a preliminary evaluation of Explorers from simulation times 2011 and 2015 in July 2016, then expanded its inquiry a little over a year later to an engineering analysis, adding Explorers from the simulation times 2016 and 17, saying it had received more grievances, including 3 accidents and 39 harms. It said the most likely culprit was cracked exhaust manifolds. NHTSA firstly began looking into the issue in 2014. Ford in October offered a no-cost service to North American owners of more than 1.4 million Explorers to construct risk awards and inspections to reduce the risk of exhaust fume leakages. At the time, it said its own investigation had determined no evidence of leakages and believes the vehicles were safe. The corporation has issued 4 technological service bulletins related to exhaust odors. Ford continues to defend its decision not to issue a "Remember, Explorers are safe," Ford spokeswoman Elizabeth Wigand said in a statement. Ford's investigation and extensive testing has not saw carbon monoxide gas degrees that exceed what people are exposed to every day. "The security of our patrons is paramount. We spur patrons with carbon monoxide gas regards to bring their vehicle to their local Ford dealer for a free service to reduce the concern. If they are not satisfied with the services offered, we encourage them to call our dedicated hotline at 888-260-5575. In its own statement, Levine, the executive director of the Center for Auto Safety, said Ford needs to stop mail mixed messages to Explorer owners and passengers, since some Ford dealers are responsibly replacing cracked exhaust manifolds. It's time for Ford to take a most serious step, recall all of these vehicles, and inspect and supplant cracked exhaust manifolds, he said.